Alright, so this is how to make a somewhat stereoscopic image in Blender, but it doesn't have to be in Blender necessarily. It can be in pretty much any program, or even with your cell phone with real pictures. It's just an easy way to cheat and do it. Right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is find a good position for your camera. As you can see, mine's already positioned. I have Stonehenge here and my own little model of Vertigo. I didn't give him the snake head from the game, but that's because it looked ridiculous in 3D, so I made more of a dragon head. I downloaded Stonehenge, but the vertical model I made, as I said previously. Anyway, let's get back to solid because it's easier to move. We're gonna render that. Give us some time to render. Time to render. Alright, sorry for my voice. I have a bit of a cold or something, I don't know. And the sniffles sound like fucking Trump over here or something. Okay, there's one image, and I will save it to desktop. Now this image will be furthest to the right, but I'm gonna name it left, and you'll see why in a minute. Right, now that picture just so happens to be the one that I also have as a desktop background. I think it looks cool. And the second one, you simply move the angle. You have to keep it level with the camera, but you move the angle and position of the camera. And then once you've done that, Control-Alt-0. And as you can see, there's another image. Render that. Yeah, this model is a lot better than the one I made in Sculptris some time ago, I think. Not just with the textures, because the textures, that was just cheating. That was just taking a 2D image and overlaying it. So that's an obvious. I had to Photoshop a little bit of the stuff in the textures, but that's alright. But the model itself, I think, is really pretty good. I mean, it's not great. There's some flaws with it, but it's decent. Okay, now we hit F3 again, and we name this one right. Save as image. There we go. And then you'll take the one that says left. You'll open it with Paint. You can also do it in GIMP or Photoshop or whatever you have, but Paint for me is quicker for things like this. Once you zoomed out, you can make it big like that. There you go. And then you open the other one, the one that says right. Paint. Control A, Control C. Right. And then we hold on, we zoom in real quick. Now that we have that one picture copied, we can hit Control V to paste it, and we're going to want it to match up perfectly with the corners. There we go. And so now, if you cross your eyes, you can see that it is in fact a 3D image. Now you want to make sure not to get the angles too different. Like, for example, if you wanted to put it all the way over here or something, that's not what you do. That would not be a very wise decision. It wouldn't come out right. You want to make it just subtle, right? It can be wider than the human eye for a more exaggerated effect, but you shouldn't do it too much, otherwise it'll look bad. Now I'm going to cross my eyes here real quick and confirm that this is 3D, and in fact it is. Now, what I was saying with cell phones, you can do that too. I've done that, in fact, taking two different images and sliding them. I took a couple of my guitar, I'll show you the guitar ones, and a few other pictures I've done in Blender.